In the heart of the realm of Noctis, where shadows stretch endlessly and terror lurks in every corner, a lone hunter roams. Arlen Kestrel, the last of the Shadow Slayers, seeks vengeance against the creatures of the night, beasts who took everything from him.
Another child vanished last night. The beast grows bolder. We must leave before it claims us all.
No one leaves. Not yet. I'll hunt it, but I need information. So the legends are true.
You think this ends here, Hunter? The Shadow Lord rises.
This is no ordinary hunt. The realm is in danger, and I am all that stands between light and eternal darkness.
And so the hunter's journey continues, a lone warrior against the tide of darkness, wielding courage as his only shield. But will it be enough when the Shadow Lord rises?